Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget and stick to it, so you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. 1. Understanding your income and expenses, 2 to 3 minutes. The first step to creating a budget is to understand your income and expenses. Start by listing all of your sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of money. Then, list all of your monthly expenses, such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 2. Categorizing your expenses. Once you've listed your income and expenses, categorize them into groups such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, etc. This will help you see where your money is going and where you might be overspending. 3. Setting financial goals. The next step is to set financial goals for yourself. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or build an emergency fund? Whatever your goals are, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. 4. Creating your budget. Now it's time to create your budget. Start by subtracting your expenses from your income to see how much money you have left over each month. Then, allocate your money to each category based on your priorities and financial goals. 5. Tips for sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is another. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your expenses. Set up automatic payments for bills and savings. Plan your meals and shop with a grocery list to avoid overspending. Find free or low-cost ways to entertain yourself. So, there you have it. Creating a budget and sticking to it may seem daunting at first, but with a little bit of effort, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice.